Hi, this is Jeremy Schoonmaker, Pre-Sales TC with the Channel MPS Group. In this video, I'm going to show you how to deploy a custom color profile that you created in Custom Color Manager with WebJet Admin. Now, you'd want to do this if you have lots of devices you want to deploy this to. You can always install the profile one device at a time, but if you have 10 or 20 or more devices that you want to install to, WebJet Admin can automate that and make that really easy. Now, the first thing you have to do is on your device, you're going to have to make sure that this setting, which is Enable Extended Signature Verification, you need to make sure that this is unchecked like you see it here. Again, you can do this one device at a time, but the best thing to do would probably be create a WebJet Admin template to disable this, and then create another one to re-enable it after you've installed your custom color profile. Okay, so assuming that you have that created and you've applied that, and now that setting is off, the next thing you're going to do is go to the device management panel here in WebJet Admin, and on the left-hand side you see Solutions. You're going to expand that, and here in Repository you're going to import the files that came out of Custom Color Manager. Okay, so these are the BDL file, which is the actual custom color profile, and then also the manifest file, which is an XML file. Now, the manifest file is key here. The manifest file is going to basically be an XML that's going to point to where the BDL file is hosted on the WebJet Admin server. And then when you push that XML file to the device, it tells the device, here's where you need to go to get your custom color profile. The device reaches out, gets it, brings it down, and installs it. Okay, so that's why you have that manifest file. So one is, again, the actual custom color profile, and the other one's the manifest file. Now, we're going to need to edit the manifest file to tell the device where to go and look for it. Okay, so first we're going to just name it. So I'm going to call it Custom Color Install File. And then I need to give it a URL, okay? And this is, again, where it's being hosted. So you need to type in the IP address of your WebJet server, and then do port 8000, and then /imported solutions, and then the actual file name, okay? And this is the file name that you see listed there in the repository of the device. Now be careful not to fat finger this or else it'll go wrong. Okay, I think I got that right. What you can do to check it is you can actually copy this and then go into a web browser on a different machine and paste it in there. And then if you get this download right here, you know you've got the URL correct, right? Because that's what's supposed to happen. The device is going to do this, and it's going to get that file downloaded, okay? So I got that typed out correctly. You don't need to fill anything else out here, so push OK. Now this manifest file is ready to go. Next, you want to create a template. Okay, you can actually just push the manifest file to a device right now, but I like creating a template because it's something that you can repeat over and over, right? You can do it over and over again. You can also utilize a template to tie in with the WebJet Admin's group policy function if you create a group. So you could create a group of color devices, and then when those devices get added to the group, they get this profile installed. Okay, so having a template kind of enables you to do that. So I started creating a template. We're going to do an install here. I'm going to uncheck this Install Solution Manager, which we don't need, and then I'm going to point this to the manifest file that I just edited. I'm not going to point it to the actual custom color profile. I'm going to point to the manifest file. All right. I'm going to click Next. This is just verifying all the information I had typed in before. I click Next past that, and then give it a name. Okay, and then create the template. Okay, so now we have a template that's ready to go and can be used multiple times. I'm going to go ahead and apply the template now to a device. You can see how this will work. Note that you could schedule this if you wanted to. Again, because you're using a template, you can have the ability to schedule it and have it happen overnight or whatever you want to do there. I'm just going to do it right now, of course, so I'll do it without scheduling. I'm going to use this page-wide 586 that I have. This is what I'm going to install on, and I click Apply Template. Okay, so now again, this is pushing that XML file to the device. You can't see it, but my device just woke up, and now it's going to download that custom color profile from the WebJet Admin server and install it. Okay, so I got a success notification, and now if I go back to the device here in the Solution Installer area, now you see that the HP Custom Color Profile has been installed. And of course, if I go to my configuration page as well, and we scroll down to the installed personalities and options, you'll see that I have this custom print quality solution installed there as well. So we've successfully installed it. That showed you how to upload those files to WebJet Admin, create the template, and apply it to the device.